Hello everyone, my name is Rohit and welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video, we learned how to make a calculator, and in this video we are going to see how you can make a number guessing program in Python. So let's get started with this. So I named the number guessing program rock.py. So first we are importing random. Then we will make a variable named number equals to random dot range this 0 this 100 like this. So this is the range of the number which the computer can think of. So let's print it. Print welcome to number guesser. So now we will use while loop. While guess check equals to this wrong and this. Let's give some space here. Yeah. So now we will see the response. We will write a response equals to, what will our response? Int input this, then please input a number between 0 to 100 like this. Now we are writing here try this val equals to what? Int response. Int this response. Yeah, not here, in try, except value error. Yeah, then this, then we write print statement. This is not a valid integer. This is not a valid integer. Please try again. This is not a valid integer. Please try again. Yeah, like this. Now continue. Val equals to int response. Here is int. Yeah, here is the int. This response. Now accept value error. Again we are writing the same. Now we are writing the if statements. If val is this number is great number, then what we do, it will print this is the lower than actual number. This is lower than actual number. Yeah, and please try again. This. if, not if, elif val is great, the number is greater than val, so it will print what? It will print this number is higher than actual number. Print this number is higher than actual number. Please try again. Like this, and one more here. Now again elif we want to use we have to use, sorry, not elif, we have to use else. Else what will this do? Print the number is correct you want this. So now guess check equals to correct, we have to write guess check CHEC guess check here, this guess check equals to correct, guess check equals to correct, print thanks for playing, number guess, see you again, print thanks for playing, see you again. So now this function will wait, we don't want these, we just use this. So now we have imported our random module, then we created a number variable here which is choosing the random range of number from 0 to 100. If you want to decrease the limit like till 10, or if you want to increase the limit of the computer that can guess, you can increase and decrease. So now first the user see is, first it will say print, first it will say welcome to number guesser. So now the now the computer will say like this is my number, not computer will say, it will ask you what is the number that I think, or please input a number between 0 to 100. So now then we use if value, if the value is greater than number, then it is the higher number, it will show this. If the value is lower than the number, then it will show this. If else the value is the same, then it will show this, and it will at last it will see you, it will show you like thanks for playing, see you again. Let's do it, let's run it, hope it will work. Oh sorry, yeah, now let's do it. Let's clear this up and then try to run it. Attribute module object has no rand range. Wait, it is saying no rand range. There is an error. Oh, range. I wrote here range, not range. Yeah, now it is correct. Now let's see. Let's clear this out. While guess wrong, guess check is not defined. Wait, but there are no problems, so why it is showing us this? First let's save this. Response guess check. Why it is showing us this error? We didn't decide a number like guess check, right? So that's why it is showing us this. We have to do like guess check equals to wrong. Here we have to write here guess. Let's write here this thing. This, copy and paste. Is not equals to, only equals to. Yeah, I hope. Yeah, it is now working. Let's do it. Let's try. I'm taking 0. This is the lower than the actual number. Yes. 3. This is lower. Okay, let's do 70. This is higher. Let's take 10. I'm trying all the numbers. So yeah, it is working, I think. So let's try 100. 1000. Okay. It is difficult to find like this. Let's stop it here and then clear it. Let's do a thing. Break it. If the user can't guess one number, then it will break. Let's see if it will work. Yes, it is break. If the user can't guess one time, then it will break. If you want to do that, you can use here break command as I have shown here. So this whole program you can get it from my description. Check there, and I posted this program. You can download the code from there. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And yes, if you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you didn't. It is completely free and you can unsubscribe anytime you want. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.